are able to extract
wow.
up to 65% of the juice from the cane.
Look at that.
The present mill that we use will now extract up to 98% of the cane.
Oh wow.
Good. So here we notice, the cane just passes through the rollers, the juice is collected and the cane comes out flat. When it is done inside the factory, the sugar cane is totally shredded. Now, this is how the juice and the cane looks when it is done inside the factory. Totally shredded. Yes. Right.
Jamaican.
And these fibers we call bagasse. It can be used to make bagasse board. Abroad you might know this as particle board, compressed board, or chipboard. So we don't make board here, so we burn the fibers to fuel our boilers. So this will generate steam for the turbines, and it produces all the electricity we need to run the factory. So we're totally self-sufficient in energy. Alright?